CASABREWS Espresso. Machine stands proud with its compact dimensions of 12.28, dx 5.9, wx 11.97h, making it a fitting addition to any kitchen space. The A silver color exudes elegance, and the brushed stainless steel finish elevates its visual appeal. Its 34 Oz removable water tank ensures seamless brewing, while the inclusion of a milk frother steam wand promises a world of creamy microfoam milk and intricate milk foam artistry. The CASABREWS Espresso Machine is an embodiment of affordability and excellence, offering a gateway to the world of remarkable espresso creations. Whether you're a seasoned coffee aficionado or just beginning your journey, this machine invites you to explore the realm of coffee craftsmanship. Prepare to unlock the potential of budget-friendly espresso gems and espresso excellence on a budget, all within the comfort of your home.